That's that job done.
Hi guys, hope you're well. So I've been waiting ages to get rid of them boards. I've been looking at them for probably the best part of 5 years thinking, should I knock them off? They was in a better state than I thought they would be, apart from one at this end here which was showing some signs of infestation of some kind, whether that was like that before it was put on. But that's the only bit I found that I've got any concerns about. I actually thought this little cavity here would be full of, obviously with the open slats, I thought it might be full of, I don't know, wasps' nests or birds' nests, but it's absolutely clean, there's nothing in there. This piece is a little difficult because it's like a gusset that holds the end of the roof together, so I'll have to cut that out with a multi-tool rather than the saw. This is the end of the ladder here which runs across both bays. It's as long as the workshop is wide, so the only way out for it is that way. I kind of boxed it in when I built these middle partition. I need to cut an hole somewhere about there for this ladder to go out before I can really box all this back in. I could, in theory, build the wall up to ceiling level, but it's just sat there, so I just need to take out. But as you see, these boards here and here are loose, and that's because these 4x1 runners that are up here that the roof sheets are fixed to actually protrude out into the garden, because that's where I cut the old part of the barn off 18 years ago when I demolished it. So I need to knock these boards off. In fact, I might not even need to destroy them. I might be able to just take them off and then clear everything that stood on top of this ladder, and there's a lot of stuff stood on top of this ladder, and take the ladder out of that hole. It's actually warmer outside the workshop today because now the sun's out than it is in here. It is 7 degrees in here, which is a lot warmer than it were. In fact, it's that cold that I've got no music because the iPad, I believe, I hope it's not broken, but the iPad is that cold it won't charge. A bit of a problem. That tie, I forgot about them cleats on the ladder stuck up. I was thinking the ladder just goes straight out. They're hooked over the back of the tie. Oh dear. So there's sort of trap between there and the top of the partition between the workshop. I don't really want to take those ties off because pretty much it'd be like deconstructing the roof truss. But I don't think I've got any choice. Right, I need to take the clamps off that tie and I can undo that one. And then the next worry will be it falling. If I take these clamps off, the lights on and undo, I can undo that and just let it fall. So the weight of the ladder at the moment is on that, but I need to let it down enough to get that system through there. And if I've tried to undo them and take them off, but they're solid, so I can't do that. Right, okay. Right, then well that took more doing than I thought, but everything's roughly as it were. The lights are back for now. Obviously I'm going to be moving them soon anyway. I need to repair that tonight. I need to cut a couple of pieces of that 1.5 by 3 I bought yesterday and replace that tie. I suppose I should do that really, because it's about 4 o'clock. It'll be dark in about 80 minutes maybe, about 20 past 5 it goes dark. Oh, sweating and woolly hats made my head itchy. These outer boards run up, and you can probably see here, there's a gap there of about 2 inch. So whilst I'm putting these back on, this is why these boards were curling at the top, because I've never had a proper fix. So whilst I'm putting them back on, I may as well do that little repair. I don't want to go too crazy though, because I don't want to get a load of mission creep and end up spending the next 7 days working outside repairing the wall. So I'm just going to repair it so it's better than it was. Certainly not going to get this knocked out today. I'll have to have a look at that tomorrow. But if I can get that all back up, watertight or something tight anyway, cut a piece of wood to fit in that gap, and then I can put them 3 pieces back on, fix them at the top, and pull them blocks out. There's 1, 2, there's 3 blocks that need to come out as well. They've also been in the way. And then at some point I'll repair outside and put some barge boards on. But for today, it'll be as good as it is. I want to concentrate on here. I don't want mission creep and end up out there. Else I'll never get anything done. So that's the end of day 1. We've made a good start. We've got rid of the wood at the side. I've repaired them flapping boards. I can't tell you how many years I've been looking at that board that's been flapping at the top end. I've not driven the screws hard in because I don't want to split the boards. And actually the boards aren't rotten. Yes, they've got that kind of patina on the outside as a lot of barn wood has, but they're not rotten, so that's good. When I start to do the work on the outside, I'm not going to do it in the next week or 2 because I just want to concentrate in here, like I said. But what I'll do is I'll make a little ladder frame, put a barge board on the end, but when I put the ladder frame on and drive the ladder frame into that wood I've just put on the side of the rafter, it'll actually trap the timber and pull it all in line. I need to repair this tie up here. I've got about 20 minutes of daylight left, but I've got some firewood to gather up, then I've got some tools to put away. So I think I'll finish outside, and then if I'm up to it, I might just repair that tie beam. If not, I'll do it tomorrow. To be honest, I'm hungry. I've been out here now since just after breakfast, and I'm ready for my dinner. It actually seems really strange here now. Seems to be a huge void where the ladders were. Tomorrow I'll see if I can get that wall done. It'd be nice to start putting things back in rather than ripping things out. And then once we've got that done, we can start looking at framing the ceiling. So I hope you've enjoyed today's endeavours. I'll try and keep posting a video every day or maybe every other day so you can see the progress over the Christmas holidays.